Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete iPhone calendar spam events. As you can see here, like this, or this one. What you need to do, go to settings, scroll down, search for accounts and password, click here. After that, open subscribed calendars. Click to open. Scroll down, click delete account. Click delete account. Second one, click to open. Click delete account. And now this will delete spam events added automatically to calendar. Let's go and check it. Now calendar spam events will delete automatically. Hope this video are helpful. Don't forget to share with your friend and like this video, subscribe. See you next video. Goodbye.